Good afternoon, guys. I am going to make some tostadas. I had a taste for it, so that is what I'm going to make today. And I thought I'd go ahead and vlog it. Alright, so obviously we need the tostadas. You know, my baby's food. She's going to eat when we eat. Husband got some queso fresco for the topping and some crema. I'm going to make some beans. Oh my gosh, this camera's gonna drive me crazy. I'm gonna make some beans. You could you do this like yourself, but honestly I'm too lazy. So I'm gonna get 2 pico de gallos, 1 for on top and 1 for the meat. The meat is currently defrosting. It is turkey, ground beef, ground turkey ground turkey from Costco. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Guys, I love cooking, but I absolutely hate washing dishes and cleaning the kitchen. I mean, sometimes it's therapeutic, but right now I don't want to. But it's a compromise because my husband washes clothes. I don't even go in the laundry room ever. I don't even remember if I showed you guys my coffee mug. Okay, now I can go ahead. So ignore that. So the plan for this side, right? So okay, so this whole side is my dang, I have to get used to how this works. Obviously that's my leftover coffee right now. So I need to actually get a different bookshelf and put those books somewhere else. That is actually going to my mom. So that's not going to be there. That's actually where I'm going to place a little corner section for my curd cuts. I believe I'm saying that right. Or whatever. So I can make cups and stuff. But anyways, this is a little section. I am gonna put something up there. I think my husband said he had something already, so we'll see. So that's actually my mom's, but we've been using it more because it's cheaper to buy coffee for it than it is for my Nespresso. I absolutely love my foam to make the foam for my coffee. I love that thing. It came together, and that was a gift from my mom, and that was a gift from my mom. And then this actual table was a gift from my in-laws for Christmas. That table we've been having forever. And then the ice maker is new to the game. My sister-in-law got it for me for my birthday on Cinco de Mayo. But guys, it's so cute. Like, I love it. Yeah, I already had that sign. This is actually the vanilla syrup that I love using for my coffee. I was trying to buy raw organic sugar. So it's actually that one. Focus. There we go. Life Happens, Coffee Helps, Coffee Bar Express Yourself. That stuff is bomb if you have never tried it in your coffee. And I don't actually like caramel, but that stuff is absolutely amazing. It's kind of roughly organized. So this is kind of like my to-go section. And then there's like tea in there and tea in there. Down here are the cups. These Express. Another Mug Life. My Starbucks cups. There's one and there's one back there that my husband got me. And there's 2 more on that side. And you know, some like cheaper ones that I absolutely love. So this actually opens like this. Just so you guys can kind of see. There we go. So I actually been putting the coffee little things in here. The one for the Craig. Oh my god, I can't talk today. Hashtag coffee. There is the other vanilla one that we do use. Raw honey, hugging a mug. And then those cups I've honestly had since we bought the house. But guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. I can't wait until we have that little section fixed as well. But I feel like it's a good addition to my makeup room. When I have clients in here, when I'm doing lashes or makeup, I can just make them a cup of coffee and personalize it. I even have a marker somewhere. I don't even know where to put it. So that I can, you know, pretend you're at Starbucks. I love it. Funny how this makeup room was one thing at the beginning and now it's something completely different. It was supposed to be just for my like YouTube videos, but I really haven't been doing beauty related videos on here at all because it doesn't get any kind of interaction whatsoever. My vlogs get so much more interaction than my makeup videos, which is why I stick to doing them on my original page, and also I do have just a makeup one that'll probably be the one that I'll just go live on and stuff for people who really care about makeup. But yeah, you guys love it. I can't wait till we have the little section over here fixed. Yeah, and if you're wondering where the rest of my stuff are, so I have makeup on this side, kind of a mess, but and then I have all my collection right there, which is going to change once Gia starts walking and crawling. She's almost there, because we need to attach all this stuff to the wall. That needs to also, oh my god, I look horrible. That also needs to go on the wall, the mirror. To be safe because I don't want her to hurt herself, and I'm not even sure I'm gonna keep the Funkos there because I feel like if she's gonna get excited to try to grab one, and she might hit it and it might fall. So yeah, no. I still have to, I mean, obviously that needs to be thrown away right there, but I still need to put away some dishes and wash some of her bottles, but they look so much cleaner now. Like I didn't show you guys, so I got these shoes at on target.com. Love them. So just throwing it out there, I'm normally, I say normally because my foot got bigger after I had my baby, but apparently until you're done breastfeeding you don't know what size you're going to be. So I got them in a size 6 at first, and I had to rebuy them for a size 7 because my feet are too fat, I guess you could say. No, wide. They're too wide for a size 6. So I would say if you're a size 6, go up a size just in case. But I love them. I also bought them in black. Love them. And then my husband got me these for my birthday. I really wanted the black and white ones, but he got me these, and I actually think they're really cute. So I'm kind of happy that he got me those. I really wish he could get me a pair that he can have a matching pair, and Gia for pictures. Hopefully when she's 1 we can get that going, but we'll see because it's really hard to get in general. Alright, I'm currently pumping. I am gonna go ahead and just call this video done because I am pumping. I'm gonna wash her dishes and go upstairs with my pumpkin. I really hope you guys enjoyed these really quick vlogs. Yeah, I mean, this is like my daily life right now. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and follow me on all my Instagrams. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.